Crypto in a real sense needs no presentation these days in an unpretentious manner. Over the kind of past genuinely couple of years, crypto has risen quickly. It generally is assessed that APTOS' worth and development will be galactic on the grounds that it is so strong and especially has colossal potential, in spite of prevalent thinking. Contrasted with other resource classes, APTOS cost is trying to anticipate and delicate to economic situations. In any case, we chose to make the best projected esteem and assess development for APTOS' future amazingly by and large. Last month's normal APTOS, well-suited cost for the most part was 0.00, and according to our figure APTOS apt, exchanged as lovely high as 0.00. and as low as 0.00 last month, in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming that we center around exceptionally by and large development, APTOS developed by an last month. From our last month's APTOS cost expectation, we anticipated that APTOS adept would in every practical sense proceed with its bullish position ahead, which is very huge. Right now, APTOS certainly is exchanging at $7.62. which could top at $16.62 soon, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In light of APTOS' cost vacillations, we have anticipated that the cost of adept would develop by $14.06%. Toward the start of July 2023, during the mid of July, the cost is supposed to ascend by a limit of $118.08% in a truly significant manner. Before the month's over, ABLE is fundamentally liable to, for the most part, develop by $19.55%, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In light of APTOS' cost changes, we really anticipated that the cost of adept would especially fall by $14.06%. Toward the start of July 2023, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. During the mid of July, the cost fundamentally is supposed to fall by a limit of $118.08% in an unpretentious manner. Before the month's over, adept is probably going to fall by $19.55%. As per the ongoing business sector circumstance, the cost could be a really limit of $24.45 by 2025 and least value down to $22.23, or so they thought. That being said, the normal ABLE cost could more at $24.02. APTOS, well-suited, value expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, APTOS came to $19.81, when it dipped under $3.45. Interestingly, since January 2021, which generally is very critical. As per the financial backers and market sends out, APTOS truly is headed to passing the $16.76 mark before the current year's over, or so they thought. Before $16.76, it might break its characteristic of $19.90 and reach, or so they thought, as indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers. APTOS will break its past all-time essentially high of $19.90 and hold somewhere in the range of $15.81 and $16.76 soon. At this point, on 24 June 2023, APTOS by and large is exchanging at $7.62, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 162.34 m. And it in every practical sense makes number 34 cash in the entire crypto world. Or so they basically thought. APTOS value expectation 2024 there for the most part is plausible that APTOS can essentially get through the $19.71 boundary and sort of hold the market. Toward the finish of 2024. The least APTOS cost will be between $16.36 to $19.71. And the most by and large possible APTOS cost will be truly consistent at around $17.97. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite APTOS' wild swings in esteem, and the discussion encompassing its ecologically threatening energy utilization, tycoon adventure fundamentally entrepreneur Tim Draper really is adhering to his forecasts that APTOS will reach $19.71. Toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. APTOS value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that adept will begin the year at $22.48, and exchange around $27.44. As per their forecasts, this would really be incredibly high contrasted with kind of a year ago. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. APTOS Value Forecast 2026. There certainly is a decent opportunity that APTOS 2026 value expectation will truly twofold in cost. However, it is likewise kind of conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $34.11 level in an unobtrusive manner. APTOS is really anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed high of $33.89 or $34.11 in 2026. And it very well may be the time of APTOS. APTOS Value Expectation 2027. APTOS Value Forecast will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it sort of has the really potential to accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap in every practical sense, large way. APTOS' cost is supposed to outperform $34.11 in 2027, or so they thought. It has been anticipated that APTOS will basically arrive at the most extreme cost of $34.11, and the base cost is supposed to be around $29.28 in the following a long time from 2027. APTOS estimate 2028. Market examiners and specialists certainly generally say that APTOS value forecast and specialized examination, APTOS, is supposed to cross a value level of $39.39 in 2028. In the meantime, APTOS is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $36.17 this year. In every way that really matters, most extreme cost might reach $41.85. APTOS well-suited value expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the APTOS value forecast and specialized investigation anticipate that the expense of APTOS will essentially reach $56.32, and the cost of ABLE ought to reach $56.32 before the year is over, which in every practical sense is very critical. What's more, ADEPT can reach up to $51.43 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for APTOS development, which for the most part is very critical. ADEPT value expectation 2030. Out of 2030, APTOS value forecast are supposed to truly cross the $78.24 normal cost level, as indicated by APTOS gauge and specialized examination, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. Toward the finish of 2030, APTOS' certainly least cost explicitly is supposed to be $74.22. Moreover, ABLE can explicitly arrive at a greatest value level of $79.96, which is genuinely critical. Toward the finish of 2030, APTOS will have a typical cost of $79.96, as opposed to prevalent thinking